Hello friends, welcome to my new data structures and algorithms in Java tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about the trie data structure. We will discuss about what is a trie and what are its real life applications. So friends, what is a trie? So here you can see the word trie actually came from the word retrieval. So the main purpose of this data structure was to retrieve the stored information very fast. So basically in real life application we actually store the collection of strings inside the trie, and whenever we want to get that string we can retrieve that string very fast. Below you can see the symbolic representation of a trie data structure. So here you can see that green circles are nothing but the trie nodes, and multiple trie nodes actually form a trie. And also you can see the topmost node is actually empty, which is being pointed by the root. So root actually points to an empty trie node, and from the root the other words originate. So here you can see, let's suppose if we store these 4 words into a trie data structure, then here we actually start from the root, which is an empty trie node. And let's say for an example, as we want to store a word dog, then we simply create 3 trie nodes storing one alphabet into it, and the trie node pointing to others in sequence. So friends, here you can see that from root we pointed to node D, then from D we pointed to node O, from O to G. So friends, after storing G, we know that dog is in the trie. So we mark the last node in yellow color, stating that this is the end of the word. For example, if we take hat, then from root we point to H, from H we point to A, and from A we point to T. Now as T is the end of the word, we usually mark it in the yellow color. Moving ahead. Friends, if we talk about the applications of a trie data structure, then here you can see the one application would be the autocomplete of the words. So friends, you must have searched something on the Google search engine. So there, as soon as you type something, the search engine suggests the complete word to you. So this autocomplete feature is basically implemented with the help of tries. Moving ahead. The other application would be the search contacts in phone. So friends, in your smartphone, whenever you want to search any particular contact, you just type the initial letters of the person name, and the application automatically suggests the name of the persons. So this application is also implemented with the help of trie data structure. Also friend, one more application would be the spell checking. So here you can see that many editors such as Word, Pages implement this spell check. So here what happens, whenever user types any wrong spelling, the application auto suggests the correct spelling. So here you can see the spelling is wrong, therefore the application is suggesting the correct spelling so that user can select from one of these options and correct the spelling. So friends, this was the introduction to the trie and also its applications. In our upcoming tutorial, we will discuss more on how to implement a trie, the trie node, and other methods which trie supports. Thanks, have a nice day.